Welcome to my Sitecode Diaries, your ultimate guide to digital experience excellence, your go-to channel for all the things in .NET and Sitecore. So today we are going to talk about design patterns, what and why. So I'm your host Jitendra Ganekar. I'm in Sitecore MVP Technology 2024. I'm a technical architect in one of the leading organization. You can see my social media account handlers. You can follow me, subscribe me on those. So what we are going to see in this video, it's a very small video. We will see first what is design pattern, then what are the different high level design pattern, type of a design pattern, and then the advantage of using design patterns. Before moving ahead, let me request you, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please do consider subscribing to the channel and click on that notification bell to get latest update. If you like my video, do click on a like button and upload this video. Do provide your comments on the comment section. You can tell me what are the topics which you want to cover. If any question you want to cover or any interview question you want to cover, you can mention that in the comment section. I will read that and I will consider that for the future videos. And do share this video with your friends and colleagues who like to understand the .NET and work on the .NET. So what is design pattern? So design patterns are typical solution to common problems in software design. Each pattern is like a blueprint that you can customize to solve a particular design problem in your code. They are proven, tested, and often used by experienced developers to improve the structure, maintainability, and scalability of their code. So basically design patterns are a guideline which also provides you a solution to a common problems in software design. Okay, so there is a if there are any problems which you want to resolve, so what kind of a solution which is proven and tested, that is what a design pattern. So it provides you the solution on your problems, common problems, and it's nothing. It's a those solutions are proven and tested. Okay. So there is a terminology called GOF, Gang of Four. So what is that? In 1994, four authors, Eric Gamma, Richard Helm, Ralph Johnson, and John Wilsid, published a book titled Design Patterns, Elements of Reusable Object-Oriented Software, which is initiated the concept of design pattern. So it's a point where the design pattern concept started, okay, from this book. Okay, so these four authors are collectively known as the Gang of Four. They have initiated the concept of design pattern through the book Design Pattern, Elements of Reusable Object Oriented Software. Now there are different types of design pattern. First is the creational pattern, which focus on object creation mechanism, how the objects are getting created. On that point, this type of a design pattern focused. Structural, so deal with the composition of classes or objects. So structural design patterns are more concentrated on how you are composing your classes and the objects, whereas the third one is the behavioral. So it focus on the communication between the objects, how the objects behave within themselves, the what is the communication between the objects. So that on that type you have a behavioral design pattern. So in these are the type, and inside that you have actual design pattern. Okay, so like creational, we have a singleton, factory method, abstract factory, builder, prototype. Then structure, we have adapter, composite, decorator, package, breach, flyweight, and proxy. Whereas behavioral one is observer, strategy, command, iterator, state, template method, chain of responsibilities, mediator, memento, interpreter, visitor. So these are the different design patterns. We are not going to see all these design patterns, but in future we are going to see few of the most used design patterns in the upcoming videos. So what are the advantages of design pattern? First is the reusability. Design patterns provide solutions to common problems that developers encounter frequently. By reusing these solutions, developers can save time and efforts, leading to a more efficient development process. So reusability. So design patterns, uh, as we see seen in the definition itself, it's provide a solution to a common problems. Okay, so you have a specific solution to specific problem. So it means you can reusable the same solution on multiple times, which saves the time and efforts of a developer. Improved communication. When developers understand and use a design pattern, they can communicate more effectively and about their design, reducing misunderstanding and improving the collaboration. So you have a specific guideline, your specific language to speak when when you provide your solution. When you understand and design your design pattern, you can provide the solution on the basis of that. So it is more effective to explain it to someone else. Okay, so you both will can have on the same page, as both are referring to the same guideline. So it is more improved communication. Code readability and maintainability. Design patterns make code easier to understand and maintain. Patterns provide clear structures and practice, which help developer to read and understand the code written by others and to extend or modify the code with less efforts. As we have seen that design patterns are like a guideline. Okay, it gives you a clear structure and practices how to develop, how to write a code. Okay, so it is so because of that it become more readable and it is easy to modify also. Best practice. By using design patterns, developers can follow the proven and time-tested approaches to solve the specific problems, avoiding potential pitfalls and leveraging the successful strategies. The solutions are already proven and tested. So if you are following that, then you are avoiding the potential pitfalls and leverage the successful strategies. Scalability and flexibility. Design patterns helps create systems that are more scalable and flexible. Encapsulation of knowledge. Design patterns encapsulate complex design knowledge and decision. They provide a framework that are thinking about and solving problems in a way that is accessible to less experienced developer who can benefit from the insight and expertise of a more experienced developer. So it is basically a knowledge which is getting to the less experienced developer from the experienced developer, because they are because the design patterns are already defined, like it is a solution to the problem, so you are reutilizing that. So your knowledge is getting transferred from expert developers to the non-experienced developer. Reduce complexity. Design patterns help to reduce the complexity of a software system by providing clear, consistent structures. They allow developers to break down complex systems into a more manageable parts, simplifying both the development and debugging process. So it reduces the complexity. It is a clear and consistent structure. Enhancement of a system architecture. Using design patterns can lead to a more robust and sound architecture. So you can have more robust and sound architecture, like pattern like MVC will help organize code into a distinct layer, promoting a separation of a concern that enhance the overall architecture of application. So it helps you to build a robust and sound architecture. Proven solution. Design patterns are based on the real world solution that have been tested and proven over a time. This means that developer can have a confidence in their reliability and effectiveness. So these solutions are already tested and proven. So all the developers can believe on those solutions, can have a confidence on their solutions. Facilitation of a design choice. Design pattern guide developers in making design decisions. This is very important because it helps you to guide your design decisions. They provide insight into when and why to use a particular approach, helping developers choose the best design for their specific problem. So design pattern guides developers in making design decisions. So design pattern has a specific guidelines, so which tells you when and why to use a particular approach. Okay, so that's help you to choose the best design problem. Okay, we are done for today. It's a very small topic. It's just an introduction of a design pattern. So we have seen what is design patterns. Then we have seen what are the different types of design patterns and what are the advantage and disadvantage of a design patterns. In future videos, we are going to see one by one few of uh, the most used design patterns. What is those, how it is used it, and what is the pros and cons of those, that we are going to see in future videos. All right, so if you like this video, please click on a like button and upload this video. Do share this with your friends and colleagues who like to understand what is design pattern. And do if you are not subscribed to the channel, please do consider subscribing to the channel and click on a notification bell, so that whenever I will upload the future videos, you will get a notification of those. And if you have any question, if you have any feedback, please provide that via the comments. You can give me the topics, or you can ask me a question which you want to cover in the future videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching.